Hi friends, good evening to all. Okay, welcome to A with Durga Sir. Just for
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay,
5
wonderful.
minutes.
Sir, now in the last sessions, just we had a discussion about persona. Okay, just like hero in name it seems persona. Persona. Okay, persona prompting, persona based prompting. Okay, like role based, we know. So role based prompting, we know. Role and persona, what is the difference? Clearly we had a clear discussion, right? Okay, so role means job. Okay, what activity you require to do? Role as a teacher, role as HR, role as interviewer, like that. So behavior associates some identity to that person. That identity is by default considered as, that behavioral identity is by default considered as persona. Okay, act as a interviewer or act as teacher, act as friendly teacher with the motivation style. Then automatically all these extra things you are adding to the role, right? This total thing is by default considered persona, personality. Yeah, is excellent personality. Okay, personality means don't think about only height and weight. Okay, he's excellent. He's a wonderful person. He's a wonderful person. Person. We are using the word person. Is the different. Okay, role is the different. Observe this. Role, for that role, if we are adding some extra behavioral kind of thing, that is what persona. Okay, like that. So now persona same only, but a bit next deeper level we will go. We will go so that you people can understand. Oh, this is the reality where we require to use like you may get some idea. Okay, like that. So here just I had a discussion about in the last session. Persona means behavior. Behavior. Now let me add with behavior, there are two more parts. One is emotion. Okay, behavior with emotion, depth, like this depth, like depth, emotion, behavior. All these things are by default considered persona only. Okay, generally behavior we are using. Let me add these two things also. Let me cover 2 or 3 examples so that you people can feel more comfortable. Like okay, like so here assume that just remember your college days. In your college, maybe engineering college or MCA college, like in your college days, professors are there. The professors are going to ask the question. Okay, assume that the professor is going to ask the question in the classroom. Then he asked the question, you told the wrong answer. You told the wrong answer. Now, how the professor is going to respond? One professor is going to give left and right. He shouted like anything. Have you observed? He shouted like anything. Yeah, stupid, what you are doing? You are coming to the class, but you are not listening. What you like? He shouted like anything. Okay. So another professor, if we consider other professor, he is asking the question. Even if your answer is wrong or you are unable to answer, no problem. Just he will smile and he's going to tell, listen again, I will explain like he's going to explain in friendly style. Okay, there is no shouting kind of thing. Now here the point you people should be aware. Both are professors only. Correct, right? Both are professors only. But where is the difference? The difference here is, I mean, in their attitude, in their behavior, in their personality, difference is there. Correct, right? One person, if the answer is wrong, he is going to shout. Emotion is the different. But another person, friendly, just a smile, just a smile, and then explain again the answer. So, are you seeing the difference, right? Next, if you go to the interview room, one interview person is asking the question. That person is the very, you are telling the answer. The entire person is always telling. The entire person is going to tell. He's very strict. He's very straightforward. He's very short. So sorry, it's not full answer. You are telling half answer only. If it's the case, can you please explain again? He's going to challenge your answer with another question. Observe this. No fun, no jokes, no friendly nature, like nothing. So half an hour is there. You are going to see the fire like anything in the interview room. Okay, some interview persons may be like that. I will introduce such a type of interview person today. Don't worry. Okay, I will introduce that person. Okay, like he's a very strict interviewer. He's always going to challenging. His emotion is challenging kind of thing. Okay, like I don't know. Maybe my answer is wrong. Okay, sorry, that is not correct answer. Actually, this is the answer you have to tell. This is the answer you require to tell. Like you have to explain. You require to explain. If he's going to explain that, then it will be good. More pleasant feeling will be there about that interview. But some interview persons are very strict boss. Assume that the scenario, same persons only, same roles only, but the behavior, emotions, attitude, everything is different. All these things are part of persona only. Okay, assume that your manager asked, prepare a report. You prepare the report. You send to the manager. One manager is telling, the report is wrong, fix it. The report is wrong, can you please fix it? Not can you please what also? Report is wrong, fix it. Like another person is telling, another manager, with for the same activity, another manager is telling, good attempt, good. But if it's good, if you are going to improve particular section, okay, like he's telling, observe, both are managers only. Context is the same, but their behavior is the different. One person with angry behavior or short behavior, with strict behavior, another person friendly behavior, motivational behavior kind of thing is going to come. All these things part of your persona only. I hope it is clear for you people, right? Any explanation is required? Yes, friends. Why this persona is required? Suppose tomorrow, if you are build HR bots, HR related bots, if you are going to build, HR bots must be polite. Financial bots should be, if I'm going to build a financial bots should be strict and logical. Next, mentor bots. I'm going to build a mentor bot. It should be supportive. It should be motivational. Such type of things must be required. So while designing your bots, okay, compulsory, you require to tune with this behavior. This behavior is a very important in the prompting. Remember this one, sir. Okay, like so. What is the topic we require to talk here is yeah. Sir, even I didn't share that zero prompt, one prompt, like zero shot prompt, one shot prompt, few shot prompt summary, and fine tuning versus few shot images. Can you please remind once? Today I will share. Okay, sir. Here persona control. Okay, behavior. Sir, here just I'm trying to take behavior engineering. Okay, like a persona prompt. Okay, sir, why this topic is very important? Why this topic? This topic is very important, sir, in real industry. Of course, I will explain what is the persona. Okay, HR bots must be polite. Financial bots, chat bots. If you are going to develop, must be strict and logical. Next up, mentor bots. Mentor bots must be supportive and motivational. Okay, like that. So suppose here, if so, based on the domain or based on the app, based on the role, based on expected behavior, I require to assign that behavior, okay, to my AI model. Remember this one. That's fine. So behavior is the most important thing you people should aware, sir. Okay, like that. So now persona means don't feel just only role, behavior. Next and after that, attitude. Next, depth. What depth this person is going to talk? What depth this person is going to talk? Is it short response or detailed explanation or strict? All these things matters a lot. Okay. Now here, let me keep. Let me keep here. Just I can use the word persona. A bit more elaboration. I want to do that, sir. Okay. So can you please tell what is the main important thing? What is the main important thing? Behavior, correct, right? Behavior plus depth. What the meaning of that? I will explain. Don't worry, sir. Attitude. Okay. This thing is also by default considered the persona only. Now I'm elaborating persona word with the two extra words, depth and attitude. So what is the behavior, sir? Okay. What is the meaning of behavior? We covered already in the last session. What it means here? Behavior means is AI. Okay, is AI strict? Is AI strict or is AI friendly? Is AI friendly? Is AI friendly? Is AI friendly? Or otherwise, is AI funny? Okay, something like I'm trying to ask. Next, depth means yes, you know already. Okay, is does AI give short answers or long answers, explanation, detailed explanation like so I told right. Okay, one manager is going to provide, hey, your report is wrong, fix it. Another manager is going to tell a bit elaborated. Okay, saying, Arey, can you please yes, good attempt only. Okay, can you please improve a bit so and so section? Then it will be more good. Like he's going to tell. Otherwise, next interview person case, one interview person, hey, your answer is wrong, complete wrong. Tell again. Very short in his behavior, in the responses, very short responses is going to use. He won't. But another person, your answer is the wrong. But actually, this is the correct answer, like more elaborative. It's also by default considered as okay, part of its behavior only. One person is very talkative. One person is very talkative. Another person he won't talk. He's very silent. Won't talk. Just only words only is going to talk. Not not like he's not that much talkative. He's always feeling a bit shy. Something. It is also part of behavior only. It's also part of persona only. Remember that. Okay. Depth like sir here depth does AI give short answer? Does AI give short answer or detailed explanation? Detailed explanation. Okay, like that. So that is one professor is just simply telling shouted, tell another. Can you provide another example like or answer again like but other interview person or other professor is explaining, Arey, this is the thing. Can you please observe that like he's going to explain clearly. That is the difference, right? Depth. Next, last one, sir, attitude. Very important, attitude. So is this person is a criticizing attitude or this person is the encouraging attitude or supportive attitude, something like that. That is also part of persona. What is the last one? What is the third one? Can you please confirm? Attitude. Okay, attitude. So does the sir AI challenging? Does AI challenge? It's going to challenge you. That's also attitude. Challenging person like. Is it going to encourage? Or it's going to criticize? Or it's going to supportive? Okay, supportive, something like all these things are okay, part of persona only. Compulsory. We require to specify, boss. You must specify these clearly. If you are not going to specify these things clearly, what will happen is you are giving the chance to the AI to guess.
Sir, role is not there in persona.
Persona role is there. For the role only, behavior, all these things you are assigning to the role only. Getting the point? Role should be there. For the role, we are associating this total cinema. Okay. So next, these things are not what we call standard, what we call definition, standard declarations kind of thing. Understanding is the most important. So friendly, teacher with the motivational tone. This total thing I can use the word persona. In that role is there or not? Respond, friend.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Role is there or not? Yeah, role by default it is there. Don't worry. By default it is there. With that, I'm adding some extra masala kind of thing, right? His attitude, okay, his way of talking. Next and after that, his way of behaving. This total thing is by default considered persona. Persona without role, there is no thing, there is no way, there is no chance of existing this persona terminology without role. Clear, right? Yes, friends.
Sir.
Okay. Yeah. So now I want to go for a simple example. I told, right, one interview person I want to introduce for you people. One interview person I want to introduce for you people. Okay, what that interview, how strict interview person. Okay, the firing is going to be happen in the interview. How it is going to be there? Better to save this prompt and better to prepare. Okay, whenever you are going for the interview. Okay, now observe this. Okay, luckily I have some option in there to skip. Don't worry. Otherwise, it will play the game with me. Okay, so just the example I'm trying to take. Example one: strict interviewer. Strict interviewer. So what I'm trying to take, short responses is going to fill, and challenging attitude he had. Challenging attitude he has. Assume that strict interviewer plus challenging attitude he had. Okay, like now have a look once. You are a strict, act as strict technical interviewer, or instead of act you can use the general this type of information also. You are a strict technical interviewer. Okay, like sir, here persona is there or not? Please confirm. Please confirm.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Behavior is there.
Yes, strict
Yes,
technical
you are using the word what?
Technical
Yes,
interviewer.
sir. Here, role is interviewer, but now you are talking about the technical interviewer plus
And strict.
the word is what? Strict. Strict is also
Right.
part of the persona only. Remember that. Okay. Ask me one prompt engineering question. Or otherwise, can I keep a Python question? Whatever, ask me one Python question. Okay. One Python question. Okay, or otherwise prompt engineering question, because we are talking about this prompt. Okay, prompt engineering question. Ask me prompt engineering question. Wait for my answer. Okay, wait for my answer. Next, if answer is weak, challenge me with your follow-up. So, what attitude I'm expecting from this person is, if my answer is weak, challenge me with your follow-up. Now, my AI model should challenge me. Sir, this challenge itself is by default considered as, okay, yes, part of persona only. Remember this one. Challenging is an attitude. Okay, like that. So keep your replies short. Short. Okay, like that. Yeah. But a beautiful seems to be very small prompt. Here, role is there. Can you please confirm? Role.
Yes, interviewer is there.
Technical
is there.
interviewer.
Technical interviewer role is there. Next, here persona is there.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Strict.
Strict.
Behavior.
Strict.
Strict is next. Even challenging. Okay, you require to challenging me with a follow-up. You require to challenge me with a follow-up. It's also like
Yes, sir.
behavior only. Okay. Now here, what things are there? Strict behavior. Okay. Short responses. Okay. Challenging attitude. Okay. All these things are persona only. Remember carefully, right? Okay. Let me run this prompt. One prompt engineering question. Yeah. Okay, 1 minute, friends. Multiple things. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Let me. Yes. Here, just have a look once. Let me start. Okay. New chart I'm taking. Here, I have a look once. Just I'm asking the same. Okay. Highly recommended. Better to save this prompt. highly recommended. So you are a strict technical interviewer. Ask me. Ask me. Okay. One prompt engineering question. Wait for my answer. If answer is the weak, challenge me with a follow-up. Okay. Keep your replies short. Explain self-consistency prompting. We don't know, right? Self-consistency prompting. What it means? Anyone, can you please answer this? Respond, friends. Anyone, can you please answer this self-consistency prompting? Anyone?
We need to give prompt like consistency, like
Hmm.
frequently we are changing the model. I mean, asking the right.
Okay. What I'm doing is.
Yeah,
Can we just say again?
understand like that.
Okay, you are not required to worry. I will explain this next. In the reasoning prompts, I will explain. Don't worry at all. Okay, just self-consistency prompts means like I'm asking just only 1 or 2 lines. Don't worry. So ask AI to solve the same problem multiple times. Let it generate different reasoning paths and so on. It's a part of reasoning. Okay. So what explain self-consistency prompting? What is it? Why it's used? Give one practical example. It's asking. Can you please answer now? Is it waiting for my answer or not? Respond. Is it waiting for my answer or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Next, are you seeing strict behavior in this response?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Strict. Any
Seriousness
friendly,
also.
funny, any such type of thing is there. What is it? Why it is used? No extra words. Give one practical example. Okay, like now. Okay, I provided something. Directly it's telling what it is. What the answer is providing?
Answer clearly.
Incomplete.
It is saying that incomplete answer.
Incomplete. What happens after generating multiple reasoning paths? How do we select the final answer? Okay. Now I'm trying to take 3 things. Okay. Three statements I'm talking. Don't worry. I require to take action. Yeah. So here, have you observed the response, friend? Incomplete. Your response is not complete. Incomplete. Immediately it's asking, what happens after generating multiple reasoning paths? How do you select the final answer? Politeness. A small politeness also not there in this. Okay. Now, I'm providing this. Better. Now tell me. Okay, better. Okay, when compared with the previous answer, better. Okay. Even it's not telling good also. Okay, better. Okay. Now tell me, in which type of problems is self-consistency most useful? Why it is stronger than single chain of thought? Okay. COT. Why it's stronger than single chain of thought? Okay. Now as of now, we don't know. Even we are not having the time to type also. Okay. Now I'm taking. So I'm asking the same thing only. Self-consistency works best. Okay. Why it is like just I'm trying to take all these. Okay. I don't. Luckily, I have this option is there. Otherwise, this interviewer is going to kill me. Okay. Now, good. Okay. Now, earlier it is the It is a good, clear, structure, technically correct. You understood the concept clearly. Next time, reduce extra wording. Interviewer must sharp. Interviewer answers must be sharp. Like, ready for the next question? Yes. Okay, now it's going to explain the difference between, okay, 0 shot, 1 shot, and few shot prompting. Okay, known thing. Clear definition of each, one example for each, one limitation for few shot, one limitation of few shot. Okay, like that. So you require to answer. So here it never going to provide answers for us. Remember that it never going to provide the answer for us. You have to provide the answer until your answer is the correct. It is keep on asking the questions only. Keep on asking the questions only. Okay, just I'm trying to provide. Okay. 1 shot, 0 shot, 0 shot means asking AI directly, without the answer, without any example, like I'm providing. Then immediately, what answer by default we are going to get? Observe this. Define all 3 clearly, incomplete. Define all 3 clearly, include examples. Also give one limitation of a few shot. Okay, define. So 1 shot means prompt ask AI with one example. Okay, like I'm telling. It never going to accept my answer. Still incomplete. Define 0 shot, 1 shot. Like so, this is one type of behavior of strict interview person. Any doubt? Are you feeling clearly? Am I associate correct behavior for the interview person for this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This will be very useful.
Yeah, this prompt is really is going to be helpful. It never going to tell answer until you are telling the correct answer. It is not going to leave you.
Even we tell it won't satisfy.
Half of the things, full things also. Just keep on asking the next question.
Yes, yes.
Okay, suppose even you are telling half of the part, then what about this? Can you explain? Like immediately it's asking. Okay, almost you require to spend 1 hour, 2 hours, like each and everything you require. A real interview person, a strict interview person, how is going to ask the same thing only, it's going to respond. It's going to act.
Yes, sir.
Remember, okay, now I will change, okay, this interview person with a friendly interview person, how is behavior? The job is the same, but the behavior is completely going to be changed. Now have a look once. Okay, you are a supportive career mentor. Assume that I'm taking, yes, there is the same thing only. I'm trying to take another. Okay, so here just observe this. Same thing only, but here complete persona I want to change. You are a, here instead of strict, I'm trying to take supportive. Okay, career mentor. Okay, supportive career mentor. Supportive career mentor. Okay, next ask me one prompt engineering question. Wait for my answer. Okay, wait for my answer. Now observe this. Earlier this statement is there, but now instead of this I'm trying to take alternative statement. Okay, so wait for my answer, then explain correct answer, then explain correct answer step by step. Explain correct answer step by step in simple English. Okay, like next here no challenge kind of thing. Okay, it will wait for my answer. It will wait until my answer and until giving the answer. Then it's going to explain clearly the answer. Okay, it won't challenging me if my answer is the weak or if my answer is the incomplete or wrong. It's not going to challenge. Okay, next end with the one encouragement line. Okay, end with one encouragement line. Okay, like yeah. So observe, both the people are asking the question only. But there is a difference there in their behavior. Remember this one. Okay, instead of career mentor, if you want, you can take interview person only, friendly interview person or supportive interview person, technical interviewer. Like you can ask, no problem at all. But the person is the same, rule is the same, but personality is the different. Remember this one, persona is the different. Okay, like now stay. Okay, let me take the same thing only. Okay, like okay, usually technical interviewer is not going to end with the encouragement line, all these things. Just assume I'm taking like. I hope, are you listening? Can you please confirm? Respond.
Yes, sir.
listening.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now observe this. What is the difference between system prompt, user prompt, and assistant message in ChatGPT or LLM ChatGPT? I don't know these things as of now. Okay, I don't know, sir. I don't know. Then immediately, okay, good, honest answer. Let me explain clearly. Wow, excellent, right? If I ask this question to the earlier prompt is going to give left and right.
Left and right.
remember, if I ask the same, if I tell the same answer for the earlier interviewer, then it's going to give left and right. But this person is a good person, friendly person is explaining the things clearly for me. Okay, now have a look on system prompt. This is the instruction given to the AI before conversation starts. Yes, before conversation starts, the main setup kind of thing. Yeah, you require to behave something like system prompts are there. Next, user prompts are whatever messages we are giving. This total thing I will discuss in the API discussion. Okay, like don't worry at all. That part is there. Assistant message. Now that is the AI's response to the user in generated based on the system prompt plus user prompt. It is generated based on the system prompt plus user prompt. Okay, system behavior control. Okay, like it's a providing clearly step-by-step explanation. Very good. Knowing. Here have you observed motivation line? Very good. Not knowing is the starting point of learning. Keep going. Wow. Wonderful, wonderful interview person, right? Yes, friends. Are you in the position to understand persona
Yes, sir.
with clear example?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Same role only. One person is a very strict person. He's telling, one person is a very strict person. He's telling that, okay, he's telling something like a different behavior by default will be there. Observe, behavior is the different, rule is the same. The emotion, attitude, all the things changing from person to person. Suppose you are developing a chatbot for educational institute. One type of behavior will be there. You are developing chat for financial organization. Another type of behavior will be there. If you are developing a chatbot for legal support kind of thing, one type of thing must be required. Okay, like our educational institute, one type of thing must be required. Observe, based on the situation, we require to set the corresponding persona. Persona is the most important thing. Remember that. The behavior, that identity, that emotion, that attitude, all these things are part of persona. Clear, right? Can I go for next level? One more example, very useful example. Okay, I will share
Yes,
this one,
sir.
but please make sure you require to save these prompts clearly.
Yes.
Okay, because really helpful. Next up, one more prompt. One more prompt I want to explain for you people. Okay, so if you feel comfortable, definitely I will go for that. But anyway, let me instead of writing, let me copy paste because it's a bit lengthy. It's a very of course, if you want me, I will type. Don't worry. Okay, let me type matter of 5 minutes. Okay, but
No, sir.
explanation will be there for you people. Explanation also will be there for you people. Can I?
Copy paste, sir. It will be better.
Copy paste is best. Huh?
So explain the thing. Yeah.
Because yeah, no problem. Whatever you want, I will do that. Okay. My requirement is just down. Observe carefully. One minute. this is a very common requirement for the most of the people, friends. Very common requirement for most of the people. This type of requirement is the common. What is that requirement here is? Observe a bit very carefully about this. Okay, wonderful prompt for you people. Okay, have a look once. Okay, is it visible for you people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Visible, right? Okay. What is your common requirement, friends? Sir, I will share my resume. Can you please have a look once? If any suggestions are there, can you please provide me some suggestions so that I will correct those suggestions? Because I'm applying for, I'm not getting any interview calls like that. It's a very common requirement for most of the people. Now, I want to create a prompt. Okay, so that my AI model acts as so the person who is having 15 plus years of experience in recruitment process, that person is going to review my resume. He's going to tell the problems in my resume and the improvements, okay, for my resume. He's going to explain clearly. Okay, such a type of prompt I want to design. Here, where is the persona? What is the role? All these things you people can see. Okay, here don't feel persona means only a role. Don't feel persona means only a role and a tone. Okay, so this background information, actor, having 15 plus years of experience. Okay, like next emotional, like all these extra things also part of the persona only. Remember carefully. Okay, let me show this one. Okay, just based on your requirement, I just copy pasted. Have a look once. You are an experienced and a strict HR resume reviewer with the 15 plus years of hiring experience in IT and corporate roles. In this line, if the persona is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Strict
Yes, sir. Strict.
experience.
Actually, this person is HR resume reviewer is the role, but strict, experienced, 15 plus years of hiring experience, like all these things are extra behavior or personal identity definitions, right? Next, your job is critically review my resume and identify weaknesses. Critically review my resume and identify weaknesses. Instructions. Be direct and honest. Can I use the word? It is also part of the persona.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, be direct and honest. Okay, is it
Yes,
a
sir.
part of
Yes,
persona
sir.
or not? Yes. Okay, I'm talking about
Yes, sir.
expected behavior from my AI model. Next, do not be polite or sweet. Is it persona?
Yes, sir. Polite
Yes,
and
sir.
sweet.
Yeah. Yes,
Polite.
do not be polite or sweet. Okay, like, do you know, now I hope from by this example, you can see role with the tone is nothing but persona. No, right? Persona is the word more powerful. Beyond the tone, beyond the role. Can I use the word?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, friends. Okay. So whenever you are talking, Ray acts as professional, friendly interview person. Okay, friendly interview person. Then immediately you are feeling that our persona is nothing but just only role and tone is nothing but persona only, right? At the beginning, we may have that feeling. Okay, only tone and role is not persona. All the things, the behavior, complete behavioral kind of thing, emotions, attitude, okay, expected behavior, the total thing is by default considered as persona. Remember carefully. Okay, be polite. Do not polite or sweet. Sir, focus on clarity, structure, impact, achievements, keywords, formatting, and relevance. Resume is for competitive job role. Identify 5 major problems in the resume. Suggest exactly 5 strong improvements. Okay, keep each point short and practical. Keep each point short and practical. No extra explanation. No motivational sentences. Okay, it is also persona related or not?
Yes, sir.
It is also persona related, right?
Yes,
No
sir.
motivational sentences. Output formats are, okay, my expected output is 5 problems, 5 improvements. Okay, like next. Can you please paste your resume? Paste your resume here. I hope you have the resume. You have the resume. You can paste. Now, just observe, I have one sample resume is there with me. Okay, one sample resume is there with me. Let me just to explain this, I took this sample resume. Okay. Yes, observe carefully. My sample resume is something like where is that? Yeah, sample resume is there. Okay, this is my sample resume, Rahul Kumar. Okay, it is a ChatGPT generated only. Okay, just don't. Okay, so it's the ChatGPT generated only. Okay, it's not my own created also. Career objective, like, sir, have you observed name, email, phone, location, career objective, something like to work in a challenging environment where I can improve my skills and contribute to company growth. Wonderful. Education, BTech in computer science, XYZ engineering college, percentage 72, skills Python, Java, SQL, like a project, student management system, developed using Python and MySQL, online shopping using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, internship software, internet, ABC technologies. Wow. Sir, experience, fresher, strengths, hardworking, quick learner, team player, hobbies, watching movies, okay, playing cricket, declaration. I hereby declare the above information is the true to the best of my knowledge. Excellent. A fresher resume, right? More or less. Respond, friends.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, a fresher resume. Okay, what I want to do is, let me try with this. Okay, this total thing, just copy paste in my. Okay, next, that resume text I require to copy paste. Okay, just here sometimes we may pass what maybe file attachments also. Don't worry. Okay, like that. Now have a look once. It's a reviewing and it's going to provide 5 problems in my resume. Okay, 5 problems in my resume and 5 improvements it's going to provide. Yes. Okay. Sir, here observe that career objective is generic and adds no value because generic, right? Generic. Okay. No measurable achievements or impact anywhere. Next, projects lack details, results, and technical depth. Skills section is vague and not categorized by proficiency. Resume contains unnecessary sections, strengths, habits, and declaration. Okay, improvements. Replace objective with a strong 2 to 3 line professional summary targeting a job role. Add qualified results to the projects and internship. Quantified results. Expand the project description with the tech stack and responsibilities, tools and outcome. Categorize the skills. Okay, like remove the irrelevant sections and use the space for achievements, certifications, or GitHub links. Wow, what a wonderful. Okay, now you can ask, okay, can you please improve the first one? Okay, please provide, okay, please provide the text of okay, the text of then automatically it's going to provide for us, just to replace that. Okay, so professional summary, Python developer fresher role. Okay, like that. Now here have a look once. Here career objective. Instead of that, just I'm trying to take professional summary. Okay, computer science graduate with a strong foundation in Python, SQL, and web development. Sir, built academic projects using Python, MySQL, and so on. Okay, like that. Yeah, what a wonderful thing. Now, no longer. So to review your resume, a person is no longer required. Happily, you can give that role to the AI model. AI model is going to guide you. Next, he is going to modify your resume, okay, to fit the exact requirement. Everyone in the position to understand.
Yes, sir.
So, is this prompt, is it going to be helpful for your day-to-day requirement, right?
Very helpful,
Yes, sir.
sir. Thank you for that.
Yeah, your resumes. You are not required to ask some expert to review. Now, okay, this AI model is going to access 15 plus years of experience in recruitment. That person is going to review your resume.
That too free, sir. They are took 3,000 amount.
They are taking how much amount?
3 to 4,000, sir.
3 to 4,000. Next, you require to waste your energy. You require to waste your time. You require to waste your money. But happily, it's going to provide. Really, it's going to be helpful for the freshers. Give this prompt. Okay, just keep whatever the resume had better. So first improvement, second improvement, third improvement like that. Then automatically improve those things. And can you please convert into modified? Like definitely it's going to be very helpful. Okay, so this is expertization. If you want to associate behavior, if you want to associate, happily you can go for persona based prompts. Next step. Yes, friends. Can I go further? Audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, you're audible.
Yes.
You can continue.
Yeah. Okay. The next thing is the most valuable for you people. Very, very, very helpful concept. So listen carefully. Right? The next thing. So up to this, we have clear clarity. Role versus persona. Tone versus persona. Okay. Next persona control. What about attitude? What about depth? What about behavior? This total thing we discussed, right? Okay. Next, there is some specific personas are there. What those is? Domain specific personas. What is that? Can you please explain? Can you please use the word? What is that? Domain specific personas. Okay. What are these things, right? Okay. Suppose very simple, sir. If there is a cricket match is going on. Very simple. Cricket match is going on. In the yes, a fan, cricket fan, is always going to see the match with emotion. Okay, array, India has to win. India has to win. Or that person has to do the century. Like he's always going to see the match with emotion kind of thing. Okay, you know, in the stadiums, if the match is going to be loose or match is going to be very difficult, then there are several fans are going to cry also. Have you remembered? There are several fans are going to dance also. Have you saw, right? In the cricket, these things are common, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but all these things are happening for what? For who? End user. I mean, end user means a fan who is the general viewer, like is always going to see the match with emotion. Okay, like that is his behavior, his persona, like that. But coach is always going to see the match not with emotion. He's always going to see the match with the technique. Sees the technique, which player in how this person is playing. Okay, which player's technique is good, which player is required to improve. The coach perspective is always a different. Yes, in the different perspective is going to see the match. Can I correct, right?
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because his perspective is the different. Same match only. Are normal fan is a normal end user. Okay, normal end user is going to see the match something like but coach is going to see differently. The same match only. Okay, selector sees with a different perspective. Match selector. Okay, match selector is always going to see which player is the talented person. For the next series, which player I have to select. Selector thinking is always different. His perspective is always different. Okay. Next, sponsor is there. Sponsor sees branding value. Branding value. Array, how many people came? Okay, how many yards came? Or otherwise, so my brand is improved. How much? Because of this match, like his perspective is always different. Okay, observe the difference. Same match only. Match is the same, but one fan is seeing a bit different with a different perspective. Coach perspective is the different. sponsor perspective is the different, selector perspective is the different. There is another person, bidding person is there. His perspective is always different. Okay, like so, so do you know match is the same? Like similarly, suppose employee performance issue. Employee performance issue is there. That issue, HR person perspective is the different. HR is always going to see with a different style. Project manager is going to see the problem with a different style. Same situation only. Next is mentor, people's manager or mentor is there. He is always going to see, okay, skill gap. Okay, why the performance issue came? Okay, maybe that person is not skilled in that area. Mentor is always going to think about skill gap. Manager always going to see production related productivity issues. Okay, whether this person is capable of doing this activity or not, productivity. Manager is always going to see. HR is always going to see behavioral problem. Behavioral kind of thing is always going to see. Problem is the same, but based on their domain, their analysis, their expected behavior is the different. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose here very simple, sir. One snake is there. Assume that one snake is there. For India people, if you provide snake, they are going to do
Worship.
puja. Okay, these kind of thing. It's the same snake. Can you please give to the Chinese people?
Eat.
They will
Soup
eat.
ready. Matter of few minutes, soup is ready. Okay, because different, right? Different. Okay, like the same. Okay, so tomorrow I want to develop a finance related application, or otherwise HR related application I want to develop. Finance related application I want to develop. Okay, HR related application I want to develop. HR tool I want to develop. Audit systems I want to develop. Then automatically, clearly, you require to associate the perception, the behavior, these kind of things must be required. If the domain thinking, if you are not specified properly, then the system will become useless. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
So that type of personas are called domain specific personas. Okay, just let me add 2 or 3 points. domain personas. Domain personas. Okay. Domain personas. Okay. So where this type of requirement is there? Suppose tomorrow I want to develop finance app. Finance app I'm trying to develop. Then automatically my expectation is financial thinking must be required. Okay, my AI should think in financial style. Financial thinking must be required. If I want to develop HR tool I'm trying to take. Next, people thinking must be required. HR is always talks about people. People thinking must be required. If I want to develop one audit system, then automatically error thinking must be required. If I want to develop one coaching app, then growth thinking must be required. growth thinking must be required. So domain thinking must be required. If the domain thinking is wrong, system will become useless. Remember this one, sir. Okay. So domain persona means, I hope it is clear for you people. Domain persona means AI behaves like an expert from the specific field. AI behave like an expert from specific field. Okay, such type of people are called domain personas. AI behave like expert from the specific field. Okay, like HR persona, analyst persona, finance related persona, like we have. Just let me give 2 or 3 examples and I will execute. Okay, so one small prompt kind of thing. Problem is the same. Let me consider our employee problem only. Employee performance issue. So act as HR, how is going to behave if I can acts as project manager, how he's going to behave, I will show the difference clearly for you people. Okay, domain specific persona must be required. Okay, like suppose if I talk HR persona. Okay, so HR persona is always focus on behavior. HR persona always focus on behavior of the employee. Next, communication of the employee. Next, team harmony. Okay, team harmony, how this person is going to mingle with the team and so on. Next is always think about soft skills. Okay, HR persona focus is always on these type of things. Okay, like suppose if I can take a analyst persona. Okay, analyst persona. He's always focused. Analytics person. He's always focused on data. He's always focused on data, numbers, logical reasoning. Okay, logical reasoning. Next, trends like this analyst is always going to think about the same. Next, reviewer persona. Observe this. Reviewer. Okay, who is going to review? Reviewer persona. His focus is focus on errors. Review person, right? Errors. Next, weakness. Next, improvements. Like this person is going to give the review. Errors, weakness, improvements like that. Next, if I can ask mentor persona. Okay, his focus should be focus on here. Just observe growth. Is focus on growth, encouragement, and long-term improvement. Long-term improvement. Like yeah. So based on application, what we are doing, if we are developing prompts tomorrow, okay, compulsory you have to keep yes, the behavior, this person act so and so. What's about expected behavior? Okay, from the AI model, you require to set. If you are not setting properly, then automatically you can't expect proper behavior from that bot. I hope, are you in the position to understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I go for a small short example to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You feeling bored?
No,
Sir,
sir.
No,
can I interrupt?
No, sir. Go
No,
ahead.
no,
We
sir.
are,
Then
we are, we are,
response is
we are
not
listening
coming.
interesting. We are on the mute, right? All. We are interesting.
Yeah, good. But mute, okay. Emotions, reactions, persona, these kind of things are there.
Okay.
Okay, not only tone. Not only tone. Remember that there are some reactions, emotions, behavior, persona, these kind of things also there. Okay, let me go for a small example to understand. Okay, employee performance issue. Okay, so HR person, how is going to consider? Okay, as a HR person, how is going to consider? Okay, next manager point of view, how is going to like I will explain HR perspective. Okay, act as HR manager. Acts as HR manager. Okay, employee performance. Okay, so employee performance is low. Low, sir. Give reasons from HR side. Give 5 points. Give 5 points. Okay, give reasons from. Now here the question is, boss, employee performance is low. From HR side, can you please give the reasons for that? then automatically HR perspective is always going to be different. HR point of view is trying to provide reasons why the employee performance is low. Observe this. Can you please have a look once? Sir, poor hiring fit, employee skills do not match job role requirements, lack of proper onboarding and training support, unclear KPIs and performance expectations, next low engagement due to poor recognition of feedback system, personal issues or burnout not addressed through HR support. Okay, like sir, these are things related to HR perspective. Okay, he's always talking about okay, communication, behavior, next hiring related, this type of thing is person talking. Same thing, if I can ask, manager perspective, project manager perspective. If I can ask, the same thing only, manager point of view. Yes, here acts as a project manager. Acts as a project manager, employee performance is low. Sir, give reasons from delivery side. Because he's always going to talk about delivery, right? Project manager is always talking about delivery. Sir, give 5 points. Then automatically, delivery side, what reasons? Why the employee performance is low? How the project manager is going to answer for that? Requirements are not clearly understood, leading to rework and delays, poor time estimation and missing sprint commitments, low technical competency for a assigned at all, lack of ownership and follow-up on deliverables, inconsistent communication with the team and stakeholders, something like. Why performance is low? This person is always thinking in the project manager delivery perspective. Okay, he's talking about sprint commitments, he's talking about tasks, he's talking about deliverables and follow-up kind of thing, lack of ownership and follow-up on deliverables, next inconsistent communication with the team and stakeholders like yeah. So in their perspective, okay, they are telling domain specific, that thing must be required. Tomorrow, if you are going to develop a particular app or particular bot, okay, this bot related to which domain? That domain specific behavior we require to define. First, AI should behave in this style, then you can start answering. System prompt. Just very recently, just we saw in the question, system prompt, right? System prompt, user prompt like. Have you remembered? Ayo.
Yes, sir.
Maybe in the next I will explain. System prompt, user prompt. This is system prompt you require to set with that persona. Now onwards access, 15 years experience, mentor. Okay, system prompt I set. Now I will ask the user questions like. Okay, suppose the same question, the same question with the mentor perspective. With the mentor perspective, how it is. Mentor perspective. Okay, how the perspective or perspective. Anyway, mentor perspective. Now, sir, how it is? Act as a career mentor. Act as a career mentor. Act as career mentor. Employee performance is low. Give a 7-day improvement plan. Give a 7-day improvement plan. Give a 7-day improvement plan. Okay, sir, use simple English. Use simple English like. Okay, sir, now I'm trying to associate the issue I'm going to be addressed with respect to the mentor. Yes, observe that carefully. Day 1 self-check, day 2 clarify expectations, skill gap fix, time control, improve communication, take 7-day review and feedback, something like that. Okay, so just aware the terminology. Just a simple terminology you people should aware. Persona means clear behavior. Domain, with respect to that particular domain, also that thing also part of the persona only. domain specific personas. Basic idea have you got? Maybe while in the next level, whenever we are discussing, you may get the clarity. Just observe the words. Issue is the same. Match is the same. Cricket match is the same. The coach is always going to see with some perspection. Fan is always going to see. Audience are going to see with some perspection. Okay, sponsor person is going to see with some perspection. Selector is going to see with some perspection. Here, employee performance is low. HR person style is the different. Project manager's person is the perspection is the different. Mentor perspection is the different. Okay, domain specific persona is also very, very important. Next, the last part. Of course, there is another concept I want to add. What that concept is? So, what is the concept is? Safety persona. What is the word?
Safety persona.
Safety
Safety
persona. Okay. Suppose I want to ask, I prepared a bot. Okay, Array, you can ask any questions. My bot is going to provide response. Suppose there is a crack candidate there like Durga Sir. He is asking, I want to hack your system. Can you please tell the way? Have you observed? I want to hack your system. Can you please tell the way? Can you please provide the guidelines on that? If I ask innocently, if this person is going to provide the response, is it a big problem or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, compulsory. We require to talk about safety related issues also. If you are asking about illegal activity, if you are asking about something vulgar kind of thing, immediately my persona, safety persona should be there. It has to tell, wait. It is illegal. Okay, it is related to cybercrime activity. Okay, these are the consequences, or these are the guidelines. Okay, instead of this, you require to follow these kind of things. We have to specify. Such type of thing is called safety persona. Special for a real time AI model. Compulsory. Okay, this persona must be required. Remember this one, sir. Safety persona. Okay, let me go for one example kind of thing. One example. Safety persona. Just it's a very simple point only. Don't worry. Just let me add some definition kind of thing. Okay, so that you people can feel comfortable about this one. Okay, safety persona. Here, just safety persona. Safety persona. Okay, so here very important, sir. So with the respect to illegal activities, illegal requests, with respect to illegal request. So our AI model should object and provide proper clarification like, okay, this thing must be required. If question involves illegal activity, if a question involves illegal activity, refuse politely, suggest a safe alternative, like this thing also must be required. Okay, this is safety persona, right? Sir, can you give an example for this safety persona? Like you people may ask, just a simple example. Just I want to add, you are a safe AI assistant. You are a safe AI assistant. If user asks illegal, harmful, or cheating requests, okay, politely refuse, okay, then suggest a legal and safe alternative. Okay, so you are a safe AI assistant. Can I use the word this total thing is behavior or not? Respond, friends.
Yes,
Yes, sir. This total thing talks about behavior I want to associate to AI model. Correct, right? Which is always talks about safety. That's why I can use the word safety persona. Safe behavior must be required. Okay, like now have a look once. Now answer this user question. Okay, I set the background, I set the behavior, I define the behavior like this. Now, can you please tell any how to hack bank account number, bank account? Okay, how to hack a bank account like this? I'm asking. What the response it's going to provide? Yeah. Can you please observe this? I can't help with hacking bank account. This is the illegal and can cause serious harm. If you are worried about bank security, I can help you in the safe way. Learn how bank security systems work at basic level. Understand how to protect our bank from fraud. Like these type of things I can explain. But so this is the illegal. Sorry, I can't. Like suppose if I ask this question, okay, if I ask how to hack someone WhatsApp number, how to hack someone WhatsApp, how I can hack this? Okay, I can't help with hacking someone's WhatsApp. This is illegal and violates privacy laws. Okay, if your concern is about safety, I can help in legal way. Something like it's going to tell. Okay, this safety persona. Okay, we require to at app level we require to talk about this. So must be compulsory required. Remember this one. Suppose if I'm asking normal. So please guide step by step process of. Please guide step by step process of bank account opening. Okay, sir, is it harmful or is it illegal kind of thing? Can you please confirm?
Illegal.
Illegal.
Legal.
Legal, right?
No, legal.
Bank account opening.
Legal.
Can you please
Sorry,
guide
sorry.
step by step process bank account opening? Like now, what the response is conducted? Okay, sure. Have you observed, right? Sure. Here is the safe step by step process to open a bank account in India. Have you observed, right? It didn't. Earlier, my response is I can't help with this hacking someone's WhatsApp. This is illegal and violates. Okay. So domain specific personas. Next, safety personas. These things also just aware. Okay. So this is about the persona based prompting. Persona means behavior, attitude, emotions. Everything is by default considered persona, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it was clear.
Yes, sir.
That's it. This is about today's 5 minutes. Okay, persona based prompting. Next, tomorrow onwards, wonderful concepts we are going to discuss. Reasoning prompts, COT, manual COT, auto COT, TOT, GOT, self-reflection prompting. Okay, like there are multiple COH, like multiple prompting techniques. Almost around 1 week, 1 week span, we will just dig in the reasoning kind of prompting. Really, these type of prompts, you require to save and you require to use for your personal life also. Such type of prompts I'm trying to design. Okay, don't worry.
React prompts, sir?
React, that thing we are going to discuss next level.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, first reasoning prompts I will discuss, and after reasoning prompts, React prompts also will come. Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
after
I started
completing,
joining this class from yesterday, sir. Sorry. I started joining this class. Attending this class since yesterday. So how much did I miss and what all I need to coordinate with this class?
Almost around 8 to 10 sessions. Can you please refer in the YouTube what we call a video? Videos are already there. Prompt engineering 1, 2, 3. Like next, if the time permits, better to have earlier 23 or 24 sessions were there. Just the basic fundamentals of LLM, transformer, attention mechanism, these kind of things. Oddly, today is the 32nd session. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm
For
already attending the generative AI class, sir, in DURGASOFT.
Then obviously it's no longer required. Only prompt engineering, in my perspective, okay, in my style, if you want, better to continue. Better to follow just last 8 sessions.
Okay, sir. But I didn't observe any development perspective prompt engineering, sir.
Next level.
It's not now.
No. Next level. First try to get the basic idea because this session will be there until 365 days. First get the concept, and then with respect to the development means with respect to the Python, okay, API, we will communicate. Under the same prompts, we are going to give the response of you can. All those things I will explain. Don't worry. First try to get the concepts.
Okay, sir. So do we have any drive link or something? And nobody added me in the group.
Channel is there. Anyone can you please type the channel link in the chat box? Anyone, please? Okay. Yes, that is the channel link. Okay, you can just what we call follow the channel there every day running notes. Next, and the video link, both are going to be uploaded.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
after completing 1 month, we are masters in prompt engineering, or we have to
Yes.
take some more concepts?
Some more, I don't think. In the total prompt engineering, whatever mostly concepts I'm going to cover. Okay, because luckily we are not having any time constraint. That's why happily free with the pleasant mind, with the relaxed way, we will cover as much as possible. Next, only missing thing is sir is asking, okay, developer point of view, nothing. That is only one-time setup kind of thing. But concept is required. Just I will show what we call API perspective. Okay, from Python, how you can, next in the bots, how you can use all those. But concept, you have to get first clarity. That thing is the most important. Getting right?
Sir, and
Okay, sir.
what about the certification? Is there any certification for this course which you provide?
I don't think. Yeah. For this course, you want course completion certificate or something like, or certification related, are you going to discuss like what's your
Course completion and the other one.
course completion? Yeah. This one I don't think it's a normal batch. Or if you required, if it's going to be very helpful, please let us know. Definitely we will provide. Okay, but this is
Yes, sir. We
365
need
days batch.
to, sir.
Yeah.
It want like some
After
very big. No, sir. After some like the basic price also is enough. Like suppose what I mean to say, like some, at least 100 rupees, like 200 rupees, like that also we need
for what?
from for certification.
Course completion
Yes.
certificate. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That
I
thing
might
also
say.
not required, man. Not required. Money not required. I will guide my team to provide. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah.
Thank
you. Right.
Sir, I have
That's
just one
correct.
question.
Sir,
Actually,
are you going to develop some mini agent or some demo initial agent kind of thing?
Definitely we are going to discuss. Agentic AI completely I'm planning to talk. So first after completing this prompting concept, then Python for agentic AI, we will discuss, and then agentic AI, we are going to start. Almost next 2 months journey is the same.
GNA, that
One
RAG
question.
model can be implemented
One question, sir.
through
Yeah,
GNA.
please.
Yeah.
Sir, can you please 1 minute? Someone is asking the
Yeah. So
Yeah.
do we need to use only
Not
Python,
this.
or
Wait.
can we make use of Java for development?
I don't think so. I'm going to use only Python.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Even better to have idea on Python, because the reason is agentic, generative, and AI related. Python has more library support than Java.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's why Java. Next, Python is also very basic. 1 week, just have a look once on the Python concepts. Nothing will be there. Even 5 years
Okay.
before, I taught this Python, but I don't know anything about Python. But still, I'm ready to discuss. Don't worry. So it's very small, low level. Do you know already CoreJava perfect, right?
Yes. Java,
Python
I'm
is
perfect
nothing.
in Java. Yeah.
Python is nothing. Just go through the basics of Python. Okay, just
Okay.
daily 10 minutes or 15 minutes better to spend.
Okay, sir. Thank
Sir,
you.
for this agentic agent development, all those things, no? What are all the libraries we need to know in Python?
Yeah, currently, as of now, no knowledge for me. Just while because even I'm new to all these areas. Just let me learn and let me explain.
Okay.
I'm sure. Okay, all those things, whatever you require, I will explore and I will guide for you. Okay.
Yeah, one question. Hello.
Yes.
For GenAI, for the RAG model is there, no? Then we can implement
The
one.
track model we are going to explore.
Okay.
I will develop the what we call a mini project kind of thing in
Yeah,
different
correct.
styles of RAG.
Yes.
RAG is going to be covered. Compulsory. It must be required. Yes. Agentic AI frameworks also. We are going to discuss Shivaram.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
these prompts which we are learning, this is to improve the communication with AI which is available in the world, and or this will be helpful in designing the systems.
Designing also.
Okay.
Tomorrow,
And sir,
agentic AI, you are going to build agentic AI. There,
yes,
everything is going to be based on the prompts only. Believe me.
okay. So having this knowledge is very important for learning.
Important, compulsory. Prompt engineer is one role.
Okay.
Okay, all these things must be very, very important. Yeah.
And sir, the domain specific prompt which you have said, that means okay, no sir, I will refer your notes.
Yeah. Okay.
So you told to remind regarding that snapshot. You will share.
Just